In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the HTS module. So we're going to go to Workspace, then click on Outpatients, and select the queue that you want to attend to. We are going to attend to the HTS queue, and we are going to look for our patient. Click on the patient. You'll get the patient summary. Open patient file. And let's go to HIV testing tab. You can either go to HIV testing tab here or the blinking red button for offer HIV test. So either way you'll get there. So we can click on this one. And we're going to register our patient into HIV testing. Client sexual history not captured. You'll be sent to sexual history screens to capture required detail. Click on OK. Then we're going to capture client details. You have to ask them if they're sexually active or not. Offer to. So the client needs to provide you with these details. Then you click on Save. And once you click on Save, it will prompt you for other questions that you need to ask. And you need to get the information from the client and click on Save. Now when you go to HIV screening, this person has been screened before. That's why it's now a read only. We're going to, when you go to sexual history, these are the details that we just entered. Now you're going to go to HTS registration. Click on register. Put the date of HIV test, which is today. HIV test type, we're going to do a rapid. So you select either rapid, or is it a self-test, or is it a DNA PCR. In our case, we're going to use rapid. Select the entry point. We're going to select HTS campaign. Are they a couple or not? In our case, it's just Martin Luther King alone, so it's not a couple. Then we're going to click on register. Once we've registered, we can update our details here. We're going to go to pre-test counseling. Click on edit details. Select the HTS approach. Reason for HIV testing. What is their reason? No HIV status. Select the HTS model. Client profile. Is it a new test in client's life, or is it a retest? Is it couple counseling? In our case, it's not. Was this person given pre-test information? Or did they opt out? If they opt out of test, once you click yes, you'd be met with this confirmation. So they did not opt out, so I'm going to click on no. Then click on update. Now we're going to do the actual testing. We're going to add screening test and select the test kit that we want to use. We're going to select determine. So currently in our system, we have 3 test kit batches, and these have different expiry dates. So you have to choose the test kit that you want to use. And if you click on the standard queue, we do not have any standard queue test kit batches into the system. That is why it's giving us this prompt. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on determine and click on the test kit batch that I want to use, and then start test. So it's telling me that my test is starting at this particular time. So am I sure I want to start the test? I'll say yes. So would you want to attend to the next patient while you wait for the rapid test results? So it's up to you. You can click no or you can click yes. So I'll click yes so that I can be attending to another patient. So if you click yes, it'll take you back to the HTS queue where you can search for another patient and attend to them. So after attending to your patient, you're going to go back and select the patient that you were testing for HIV and go to HIV test. And do you want to start a new HIV test or we are opening a current one? Because we have not finished yet, we are going to open the open current HTS and go to testing. And now we can add results. So in this case, our result is positive. Then click on end test. And it's going to record the rapid test end time. I'll confirm yes. And because this client is positive, it's going to prompt me for a confirmatory test. So I'll click on confirmatory test. And select my test kit. Select my test kit batch of choice. And start test. This is the start time. Yes. This time, do I want to attend to a patient, to the next patient? No. So after the results are now back, I'll add test results. And the result is still positive. And I'll click on end test. And yes. So this client is positive and we have done 2 tests using 2 different test kits. And the final result was positive. So after testing, we need to do post-test counseling. So update post-test. Final results, it was positive. Results received, did they receive their results? If they have received their results, you click on yes. If they were post-test cancelled, click on yes. Select the date of post-test cancelling, which is today. Is the client aware of their HIV positive status? Yes. Is the client on ART? No. Has the client consented to index testing? If they do, you click on yes. If they do not, you click on no and you update. So because they are positive, the required action is to perform an HIV rapid test. So we're going to click on perform test. Confirm recency test, yes. And we're going to add test. select our test kit, which is Asante, select our test kit batch and enter the results and click on save. Then we need to update final result. So it's recent and save result. So our final result for the HIV rapid recency test is recent. If we need to perform any other investigations, we're going to go to investigations. Maybe we need to perform a malaria test, for instance. We're going to click on record investigations, select the sample, which is blood, select test, which is malaria RDT, click on save. There is our malaria DT, then perform test or send to lab. In this instance, we're going to perform test. Add test. The test kit is RDT. Select our test kit batch and select the results and save. So we need to update our final results. Negative, save. Now let's go to service linkages. Select the destination, is it local or external? I'm going to select local. I'm going to select outpatient. Select the queue that you're sending them to. We might send them to OY clinic since they're HIV positive. And the service is OY Art. Type in some notes if you have and click on save. So now it's showing us that the HIV testing services linkages that we have recommended for this client is the OY clinic for the OY Art service. So our HIV testing is done for this client. So if you go to overview, these are his details. HIV screening. Just go through all the tabs to ensure that you did not skip anything. Sexual history, HIV registration, pre-test counseling, testing, post-test counseling. We have a final result there. This is a list of the investigations that we did for the client. Service linkages. And we're done. So we're going to close this patient's file. So refer for art services. Do you want to register patient into art? Since our patient is positive, we're going to click on yes. Click yes to continue. Now we are ready to register our patient for art.